Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by sizing the damage and cutting a clean, manageable opening. Cut a rectangle about 1/2 inch past the torn metal so the patch can sit on solid material. Once cut, deburr the edges and test fit a backing strip behind the wall. The backing is the structural anchor. Make sure you have 18-gauge aluminum or matching trailer skin, cleco or clamp the backing, and drill pilot holes through both layers now so alignment is locked before the permanent rivets. Next, you position the backing plate and the outer patch together to restore strength. Slide the backing behind the cutout and clamp it tight so there's no gap. This prevents flex. Trim the outer patch to overlap by about 1/2 inch and pre-drill rivet holes at roughly 2-inch intervals to spread load. Once aligned, set rivets through both layers, compress firmly, and add a thin bead of automotive-grade sealant between patch and skin so moisture can't reach the seam. Finish by sealing and protecting the repair so it lasts. Run a continuous bead of marine or automotive sealant around the perimeter and smooth it to eliminate gaps. Once cured, prime and paint the patch to prevent corrosion and match the trailer. After final cure, test for leaks with water or a light pressure check. If you spot leaks, tighten nearby rivets and reapply sealant. If the patch flexes, add an internal brace. This fixes movement before corrosion or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.